The Karnataka Public School girl and the girls are with the principal Rathna ma'am, and she is operating this machine with the correct size of pads. And what's her name?
Purti.
Purti. So Purti will start the thing. You have what rupee coin? 1 rupee coin. Okay. So 2 times you have to put 1 rupee coin. So see, and this is our money, was the maintenance engineer for Natasha and the school. Money, smile karo. So take out the pad, that's for you. Okay. Now next, who is going? So you are carrying small 1 rupee coin, right? Very small, right?
Yes.
Very small 1 rupee coin. What's your name? Kavita. Kavita. So very small 1 rupee coin is also working. Very good. So go. Be around here only. Next, who is going? What do you have? Large, very large 2 rupee coin. Very large 2 rupee. What's your name?
Kavya.
Kavya. Kavita ke baad Kavya. Okay. Very large 2 rupee coin. Very nice. Take it. Be here around. Next, who is going? What do you have? What's the name?
Annapurna.
Annapurna. What do you have?
2 rupees big coin.
2 very big coin.
Yes.
A very big coin of 2 rupees. Anybody else has 2 rupee coin?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. Only 5 rupees. One person I'll give you small 2 rupee coin. Take a small 2 rupee coin. Ye wala. Take 2 of them. Okay. That's 2 rupee. Niche wala. Okay. 1 rupee or 2 rupee? 2 rupee, okay. Take that. Give me 5. Okay. That's a very large 2 rupee coin, right? Very large. Okay. Now, ordinary 2 rupee coin,
Yes, sir.
which is the ordinary 2 rupee coin. Please put, what's the name?
Bhavani.
Bhavani is putting normal 2 rupee coin. So she has to put 2 to get it. She has to put 2, not 1. Okay.
ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳೋದು
ಅವ್ರ ಹತ್ರ ನಂಬರ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಂಬರ್ ಫೋನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 52 5
Okay. One more girl, please come.
ನೋ ಸರ್
ನೀನು ಹೋಗಿ ಕಾಯಿ
She can come. I'll give 2
ನೀನು
rupee
ಹೋಗಿ
coin.
ಹೋಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗು ಅವ್ರು ಬಂದಿದ್ದಾಳೆ
2 rupee coin, take, and don't put very fast. Wait. Let it come. So you please take. So that was what?
ಎರಡು ಬಂದಿರತ್ತೆ
What
ನೋಡಿ.
did you have? 5 rupee coin. 5 rupee coin is giving 2 pads. Please come on. You keep it. Please come. 5 rupee coin is giving 2 pads. And you put 2 rupee normal coin, one at a time. Don't put 2 together. Wait. I'll put and wait. So nothing is happening. Put another coin of 2 rupees. Then one pad is falling with the normal 2 rupee coin. So we will have to put large one. Take it out. Yes.
ಅದು ಆಗ್ಲೇದೆ.
Okay, please. And ma'am, you can give your impression on. Come, ma'am, please. Who has kept it here? Who kept it here? Okay, somebody take it. And ma'am, please tell your experience, and one of them will also speak. Samna,
So this machine is very nice, sir. Yeah. For our children, they are coming from very poor condition, so they can use it. So and maintain hygiene.
Maintain hygiene. One of the girls can speak. Yeah, please tell.
It is very useful to us. I'm coming from a poor family, but it's helping me so much, and thank you all.
What's your name?
Litashri.
Litashri. Very nice. And I have asked Litashri to ask her father what is the meaning of Litashri. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Manif. Thank you, Mr. Ma'am. Thank you, children.
Thank you, sir.